over to Corman so she can go over her midweek fundamentals. And when she's done, I go over the midweek tip. It's all yours, Corman.
Hi. All right. So I couldn't unmute my mic for some reason. All right. So yeah, I was going to go over some information on the Zoom call tonight to help put things into perspective, but I feel like I'm going to wait for some of that information because of a few reasons. I feel like a a lot of the information I give you guys, either I need to explain it in a different way or you aren't using it. So from now on, when I want to go off on a tangent and I have something extra to give you guys, I'm just going to do it after the technicals, because either you're going to stick around for it and you're going to hear it and you're going to want to ask questions about it, or you don't care and you just want to be a technical trader, which means you only want to be essentially a half-ass trader. I can't put it any other way. So I'm gonna go over the Forex factory calendar. And if you care to know more deeply about the fundamentals, then you'll stick around to the end of the Zoom call. That's just how I feel about the information from now on, because there are a lot of things happening in the market that I promise you will not get from the Forex factory calendar. And you're not going to get it on the recorded Zoom call now. So you have to stick around to the end. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and we'll get this thing started. I don't want y'all to be half-ass traders, but then I also don't want to be talking and have you using information the wrong way or disseminating information in the wrong way and then leading other people astray. I need for y'all to be asking me questions of the fundamentals, just like y'all ask questions of the technicals, because the stuff that I say, I know a lot of times I say it in technical terms, and I'm pretty sure you don't understand because of the questions I get or the stuff that I see in the group chat, which is why I'm saying all of this. But now we're going to go over the Forex Factory calendar for today, for tomorrow, and for Friday. And, you'll get the gist of these basics. All right, so today we got GBP CPI numbers. We got CPI numbers from Canada, and both of them were relatively on par. Canada did a little bit better than expected when it comes to the CPI. So those are CPI numbers that came out today. We also got the Euro Financial Stability Report, and we got Fed minutes. You can click on the Manila folders and go to the links and read those at your leisure. And then we got crude oil inventories today. So I already had told you guys where I thought crude oil was going to go. It was relatively on par with what the forecast was expected. So we'll continue to follow crude oil. And for the Australian dollar, we have that news coming out tonight. And with that news coming out tonight, it will be impacting the Australian dollar. It'll be impacting the New Zealand dollar. But then because of correlations, I am just going to add this extra piece. It will affect um, the GBP slightly. All right, so tomorrow we have unemployment claims. We have Philly Fed manufacturing numbers coming out tomorrow. And we have a speech from Canadian Bank official. And then Friday, we have tons of European news, like a lot of European news. So hopefully for most of you, you're out of the market. Today is Wednesday. Today is that day, today should technically be your Friday when it comes to trading. If you have to trade later than today, tomorrow should be your Friday. Friday should not be Friday when it comes to trading. because it's Friday, people are trying to take profits already, and then there's a lot of news going on. So don't be that person stuck out in the market when all of this news happens. So that's that. Cool deal. All right, so that's that. The rest of the fundamentals you guys will get when the recording stops. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to Mr. Levels, and he'll go over the technicals with you guys.
Cool beans. Let me get into the technicals. See what we got midweek going on here. Let's see. Cool beans. So Monday night, I told you guys that I wanted to see if the dollar was going to hold here and start to push up. And we see that the dollar did decide to continue to push down further. And now we see the dollar starting to give us some bullish momentum. So I am expecting to see the dollar continue to give us that bullish momentum to the upside, to come back up here and retest this structure here. And then, of course, when we get here, we will need to see if price can push through that structure and then give us a retest and hold above that structure and continue to push to the upside. If not, price may come back up and retest this structure and then continue to push to the downside. And in that case, we will continue to see currencies and metals and U30 go bullish. So with that being said, let's look at Euro USD. We have seen that bullish push. Give me a second. We have seen that bullish push in Euro USD, reflecting the bearish movement that we seen out of the dollar to begin the week with. And now being with the bullish momentum that the dollar is starting to show us, we see Euro USD starting to show us that bearish momentum. And so if we get that slight pullback out of the dollar, that will be that push for Euro USD. And then if the dollar retests that level and continue to go to the downside, then we will see Euro USD continue to go to the upside like so. But of course, we know that we trade time and price, and we wait to see the setup that time and price give us. We look for our areas of imbalance in the market, and we wait for the market to show us confirmation that it's ready to fill in that imbalance. So with that being said, if we do come up and retest this level, and the dollar pushes up and it breaks through that structure and keeps pushing to the upside, we would definitely see Euro USD come up, retest this structure, and push to the downside to come and fill in this imbalance that we see down here. So keep that in mind. Same thing with GBP USD. We can see price starting to push to the downside. GBP USD has given us some real good bearish momentum. I like that. So we'll definitely be looking for GBP USD to give us that move. We see that NZD USD gave us our move. It did spike up above the structure that I had it coming to, about that looked like about 20 pips or so, 17.6 pips. But then it did give us the down move that I was looking for. That's a lot. That's like 100 pips. Even down to here was like 67 pips. So now we see what time and price give us and what the dollar does for the rest of the week. Looking at silver. Silver gave us a good bullish run. And now that we see silver has came back down, like these plays right here is what I be telling y'all about. So these levels that I be having marked, like that's why I be telling y'all they stay relevant. Like you see price reaction to that level, how price reacted there. You could have had a buy limit set right here. Follow the rules. Stop loss below the previous low, which is this low. Right? You risking minimum amount, and this is silver. That's a whole lot of pips for silver. It's like, yeah, 7,000 pips. Let me let whoever this is in. So yeah. So I'm just looking at the dollar and I'm trying to see. Matter of fact, let me take this off. Get rid of this.
Don't watch it. I wasn't looking at your phone. That was just, oh, whatever.
Okay. Yeah. Oh no, we're gonna come all the way down now. Already got that move. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so everything look good. Silver. Mm-hmm. See silver go ahead and pump on up. Mm-hmm. And then if the dollar continue to push up. Hold on. Yeah. See. Mm-hmm. Yeah. See if we see silver come down in here. Check out gold. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at all. Yes, sir. All probably about to skyrocket. Probably a good. Yeah, we're probably gonna see all get up there. But we're gonna see. I definitely want to see all give us some definitely get up to 64 and see if we can start breaking up to the upside. We do start clearing out all these highs right here. And, let me see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Back up here. So I definitely want to see that retested.
What up, Bubba?
Rain said, what up, Bubba? No, I'm about to put it on speaker. Yeah. My headset. He can hear you now.
So
What's good, bro?
U30.
Liquid K2.
You know what? When I was there, I never heard about this shit, but I know when I was there.
So U30, we see we didn't quite get to the structure, but we just held this level here. From Monday night, I told you guys that I wanted to see U30 maybe come up here, retest here, and then push down and retest this structure. We didn't quite get up there. That's okay. We seen price start to give us that bearish momentum holding this structure. And then, of course, we know we'll look at time and price. 3 a.m. London open, market open up bearish. We know the motto. 9:30, market gave us a slight push up just to retest this structure, but then we see the market slam down and give us that same bearish move. Accumulates and continue to slam on down. So this is a trade that was a no-brainer, and you could roll this trade all the way down for crazy amount of pips, like 6,300 pips. Easy money. Just trading our strategy, time and price. Easy money. So now y'all know my motto. I'm out. I'm done trading for the week. But we do have high impacting news Friday. So markets could very well give us some great time and price setups for the rest of the week. I mean, at least tomorrow. I wouldn't say Friday, but at least tomorrow. I definitely wouldn't be trading Friday because that would just be crazy. But I'm done trading, period, for the rest of the week. Y'all know Monday, Tuesday, catch time and price, catch your pips, meet your weekly, sometime monthly pip goal or profit goal, and be done with it. And enjoy the rest of your week with your family and your loved ones. So, but yeah, man. So for the rest of the week, I expect to probably see U30 push up to the upside. So yeah. Now I'm done with technicals. I will pass it back over to Corman.
All right, cool. So, yeah, you can go ahead and end the recording and we'll talk about some market correlations and some things I want you guys to understand and see in the market while you're paying attention to it, just studying for the end of the week and just putting